What's up, guys? I am back again and just thought I would go through a quick eyeliner tutorial that I did for you guys. So I took photos step by step on how to do a winged eyeliner. If you are interested in learning how to do something like this, keep watching, and I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, let's get into it. So keep watching. So first up, I have just gone in and prepped my eyelid. I've done my brows as well. Usually I don't do my mascara and that first, but I have for this photo. So I'll sometimes go in with a nice little eyelid prep, set it with some powder, and then do my eyeshadow. And then once that's all done, I'll go in and start doing my winged liner at the end, and then sometimes pop lashes on top of that as well. So yes, my eyelid is prepped. I then move on to take my liquid liner I'm using on this look and just angle it up. Like when I'm looking forward, you just angle the brush up slightly. And I start off with my first little line, starting at the outer corner of my eye. It looks something just like this, so I do that one first initial line, looking forward, and then I will angle my eye gaze down, and that will be like my first step to getting this eyeliner. You can take that line as long or as short as you like. I like a little bit of a dramatic wing, so we'll go ahead and then connect that line down to the center of my eyelid. So once you've drawn the first line, you drag from the tip of the winged liner down to the center of your eyelid, and it will look something like this. And yeah, I just try to be as neat as possible and bring it as close to the lash line as I possibly can. Then what I'll do is I'll take my brush to my inner corner of my eye by my tear duct, and I will then join that line from the inner corner to my outer line, that middle part. I'll join those two lines and then even it out and make it as neat as possible from there. It will start to look something like this. So once I've drawn that inner line connecting to the outer, it will look like this, and then I start to fill in those little gaps you'll see on the edge there. I just fill them in with the liquid liner or my gel liner, whatever I have. So a good tip that I also have is, if you've really messed it up, which is very possible, you can use some concealer and just straighten it up, and then obviously buff out the concealer so that you can't see the line, and it will definitely hide some mistakes. The more you do eyeliner, the better you'll get at it. So it's like anything. And yes, this is the finished look. It's quite simple, but definitely the more you do it, the better you'll get. So tag me in all of your winged liner looks. I would love to see. I am on Instagram under SarahSE89, and I would love to see what you guys are up to. I hope you having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. See ya. Bye.